Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the Montauk Queen and Full bed. Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. As you open and unpack the boxes, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. Before locking down the B14 bolts, double check the back panels. The pieces labeled 1 are square and centered on the bedposts, as well as butted snug against each other. There are no pilot holes for the A38 screws. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. Feel free to lightly tap these dowels labeled C3 into their place using a hammer. If needed, flip the side rails so the support beam is on the bottom half. Before locking down the B4 bolts, double check the side rail, piece 3, is square on the bedpost. When tapping in the wood caps, use something that won't damage the finish, like a plastic handle or a rubber mallet. You can use a piece of wood as a buffer if only a regular hammer is available. There are no pilot holes for the A43 screws. You will need to apply pressure until they catch.